Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get voided checks from Capital One. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is head on over to CapitalOne.com. From here, make sure to sign in. Then from here, select the account you'd like to order checks from. On the web, click on Account Services and Settings under your balance information. So click onto this button here. And then from here, you're going to be taken to more account services. Under transfer and payments, go ahead and click on order a checkbook. And then from here, just simply order the amount of checks you like. So we've got 50 checks for 20 or 100 checks for 25. So you're going to save more if you order more. Then from here, it's going to say order a checkbook. If we scroll down, you can have a look at what you're going to be getting. And you can change your permanent address and all that stuff there. Make sure to tick checkbook purchases are handled by Hardlard Clark, and then go ahead and click on place order. Then once you place your order, it's going to say order placed. So your order has been placed and your checkbook should arrive within 5 to 8 business days. When you get these checkbooks, they're not going to say void, but just simply write void in large letters across the front of the check. But make sure the routing number, account number, check number remains visible.